With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, our question is dash is the maintenance of the lives of the honeybees for the production of the honey. Okay, so this process is basically called as the apiculture or beekeeping. So apiculture or beekeeping is our answer. What happens is few farmers, they grow flowers in their field. Okay, flowers in field. So what they do is they also start doing this side business of apiculture or beekeeping. So how they do is they basically keep some man-made beehives in their field, and then they start over by seeing this man-made beehives, and by trapping the queen, all the other bees will start getting attracted to these man-made beehives, and these bees will take all the pollen grains, will use the pollen grains from the field, okay, from the nearby field of the flowers. They will take the pollen's grain, and they will start doing the pollination, which is actually the reproduction for the flowers, and in return they will suck the nectar and they will give us the honey. So what these bees will do, these bees will actually pollinate the flowers, and also they will provide us with the honey. So by this matter, there are two benefits of apiculture or beekeeping. That is that we are getting, like, the pollination is done very quickly and fast, and then the honey, we are also getting the honey, which is a great source of income. So our answer is that apiculture is the maintenance of the lives of the honeybees for the production of the honey. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.